Yo, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today we continue our trip in Blackpool at the third and final attraction, Madame Tussauds, right there behind us. So looking forward to getting in here because it actually has been a number of years, so it'll be good to see if there's any new wax figures in the wax museum. Looking forward to a bit of curry actually. Love a bit of curry here on the channel. And if you don't watch curry, and if you're not a fan, then get out of here, mate. Because it is the best. Well, definitely one of the best.
The worst soap.
The best soap. It's the best soap. Ruin, you excited to get in the wax museum?
I'm absolutely over the moon we're going in here today. I really don't know who I want to see. There'll probably be that many famous faces. Just want to see them all.
It's just a celebrity overload, basically.
A celeb overload.
Maze,
over to you. Who do you want to see?
Right, well in here there's definitely one person that I do want to see. Not sure if she's actually going to be in here, but it is Taylor Swift, everyone. So whether Taylor Swift will actually be in there or not, I'm not sure. But yeah, I do, like I say, need to get back in to Madame Tussauds. It's been a while, and just see all the face. Sometimes you're just walking around and then you just see someone you're not even expecting to see, and you know, so it is good. So we'll, you know, get in there and see as much as we can. So I'm gonna throw you back over to Mist.
So fun fact for you all, the actual original Madame Tussauds is in London. So it's not the original, but still we're gonna go in and check it out. So let's head into the Wax Museum, into Madame Tussauds Blackpool. No pictures please, no pictures. Okay, got my bodyguard here. No pictures, no paparazzi.
Oh my god, is it like Miss Vlogs?
Can you stop please? Stop. No, stop. Stop. No, stop. Stop.
We've got Madame Tussauds herself. The gaffer. Here we're in a Strictly Come Dancing room. Made a really good job in here, all the theming. Yeah, they look like very real life. Oh, here we go. We got them dancing. Here we go.
Mist, what is it from you?
10. Ruin.
10!
Maze.
And it's a 10 from me!
Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely astonishing. 30 out of 30. It's a full house, mate. I'm winning the trophy. It is Maze and Ruin.
Yeah!
I think we might have all got a bit too excited in that last room there, but it's going to be done. Now we're entering Doctor Who now, so I'm going to go and see some of these wax figures in here. Here we go, we got E.T. with the moon there in the background. And his bicycle. Heading up to I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here. Looking forward to this one as well. Oh yeah, stop there, stop there. Hey! We've got some celebrity juice. There we go. Your host, Ruin. There we go. And the real host, Keith Lennon, right here. Here we are. We've got the main men themselves, Ant on deck, sat at their table there. And we got some bus trucker trials going on over here. What's going off on this one? There we go. We're going to fill it with creepy crawlies now. And then we've got basic ambush I could trial. What's this one? I'm guessing things just come from the top and land on you, if it was the real thing.
Right, so Ruin, you survived 2 weeks and 3 days in the jungle. How does it finally feel to be out?
Disappointing, but I can go home, have a shower, wash my bits, and feel fresh again, because you really don't get a lot in there. It's eating grubs and bugs all day.
You can go and fill yourself up with a nice hot meal.
Yeah. Looking forward to a good Sunday roast. Well, it's Wednesday, but I'm going to have a Sunday roast.
Nice. Right, well let's have a look at some of your jungle highlights then.
That's perfect.
So this is the Amasleb winners wall. Going all the way back from the first series up there, all the way down to, well, 2021 at least. There we go.
So as you can see, the wall of winners of Amasleb team. But this year, he'll be on it, but Ruin, myself, will be there. 2023 winner, because I am king of the jungle.
Ooh, ow. Maze is finding the stars in the hellholes. Have you got one?
I feel the star, but I just need to undo the knot.
Here we go, got a bit of Alan Carr in here. There he is, the man himself. Got a bit of a step-by-step guide on how they model the wax figures on the wall here. Onto football now, not really my field, literally.
Not mine either.
You get it? Quite a good one, that one. No, yeah, I'm joking, it was awful.
Wayne Rooney, everybody.
The man himself, Wayne.
Big Wayne.
Big Wayne, well not so big, but Wayne.
What are we doing over here, Maze?
Well, I'm just putting my hand on here. It's just giving me access
granted.
to something.
The unknown.
You'll know.
Future hero detected.
Maze, kick the ball.
How do I do it? Oh, do I kick it from the back?
Here he is again, here he is again. Here he is again. Broken.
So we have two contestants warming up in the ring right now. So on our right in that far end corner we have got Ruin from Miss Vlogs.
Ruin, the underdog.
Here he is. And then he's the underdog. And then in this left hand corner right over here we have Miss Vlogs
Miss,
on YouTube, everybody. So getting ready to fight. Ding ding ding! Oh, he's going in for the punch. Ooh.
Lift the hammer of 4.
Is he going to be able to do it?
So in the Marvel rooms you can get pictures that will come up on there, and over the same actually with the Hulk over here. can stand in front there on the selfie spot and have a selfie. You know what time it is? It's curry time.
Oh yes, with a bit of coffee.
Coronation Street. Here we go. Popping into Rovers for one. Rovers return. Jack Duckworth and Vera Duckworth. Outside here. Got the cabin. There you go, you can put your lottery on there. And look who it is, everybody. David Platt. Still in the corner there. Coming out back in the Rovers, and we've got Ruin. Just chilling out back. Just waiting for a pint. There we go. Got Michelle as well out here. Now, exit to music. Here we go. Queen. Freddie Mercury himself from Queen. There we go.
Get the have
Hello, I am Lady Gaga.
Hello! I don't know who I am. Not a clue.
We're in the Royals now. The Windsor Royal Family Tree. And we've got Maze and Ruin just chilling over here. With the King.
King Charles. Shape of you, simple like a magnet. Although my heart is falling.
KSI, and if you press these buttons here, background changes. There we go. What's all this noise in the background? Oh, it's these two. He's on the DJ. DJ Ruin in the house, everybody. Followed by DJ Maze as well.
Some DJs over here in the house. We'll miss everybody. And Ruin as well. As you can see, these two DJs definitely know what they're doing.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. And good night. Hello there. Today we've just got some funny videos of BJ.
Going to the awards party, everybody. There's Ruin. Maze is coming down. And there's me. Head down to the party. VIP access, there we go. Definitely need the shades for this one. Just left now and come out into the gift shop. So we've got some celebrity awards there, some merch. Loads on this side. Walking through the shop, we've got a superhero store. Right there. You two looking at the pops. Posters. And Paddy McGuinness. Alright, that is Madame Tussauds complete, and the third vlog of the day complete. Done the tower, we've done Sea Life, and now just come out of Tussauds. Absolutely lovely, weren't it? To actually see like some couple of new changes. I mean, it's sort of relatively been the same as it was quite a few years back, but always good. Especially enjoyed Corrie, and obviously I'm a celebrity, get me out of here. What about you, mates?
Well, I was a bit disappointed that there wasn't actually Taylor Swift in there. However, we did have the man himself, Boris Johnson, in there, so I think that was definitely my favourite from that one.
With all the funny videos of Boris as well.
Yeah.
We had them.
Yeah, and the Theresa May, they put all them in there as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely good for a good laugh to see them too.
And we definitely did have a good laugh in there.
Yeah.
Like, I think with it just being the third vlog as well, we just went all out. So yeah, third vlog of the day. But that is it. Ruin, what did you think of Tussauds?
So, Tussauds, yeah, like I say, I think it was good. Like I said, I think it was my least favourite, but like I say, we had a right laugh in there, so that's what made it really good. So I enjoyed it. Good wax figures. Also, like they said, BJ, all you like your sports stars. We saw Wayne Rooney. Wayne Rooney and Steven Gerrard. So yeah, it was good. But for now, I think I'm going to go and sit down and have a nice cold pint somewhere and take in the rest of the evening here in Blackpool. But for now, from all of us here in Blackpool,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good times never seem so good. I don't believe it. I won't say that on the vlog. Flip it back round to us.
Oh, where have they gone?
Bria with the absolute tunes on in the background. So like Ruin said, I think we're just going to go and get a nice cold beverage. So I'm absolutely parched. But if you all did enjoy, as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.